Tomorrow the sun will shine. Tomorrow there will still be water. Tomorrow the food will keep growing. But tomorrow won't be like today. In a time when world leaders take a step back in the global warming efforts, the Nature Conservancy presents Products of Tomorrow. A Facebook web store made of products created from a realistic picture of the future on Earth. Each product was launched with a sensorial film exploring the bright side of a dystopian world. Water is life. Remember freshness. With the new water from local acidic rain. People can pre-order the products with an estimated date to be delivered based on a real projection of what may happen on Earth in the next decades. By pre-ordering, they're helping to share the Nature Conservancy message. Products of Tomorrow reached 3 million impacts in the first 2 weeks and made people envision that climate change doesn't only affect the way we see our planet, but also the way we live our lives. Products of Tomorrow. Life as it was.